Greetings and welcome to my channel. This is Cr1tikal's. You can also find me on Facebook in the Sorcerers Guild. Today we are going to be talking about Cr1tikal's and the potato golem that I'm going to be making for him. Now, those of you who have been with the channel a long time know that a few years ago Cr1tikal's tried to mock me. He came on to, I took a bunch of clips from my channel and reacted to them on his channel, and I thought it was hilarious. I enjoyed this very much, and it brought a lot of people to my channel. Some people were upset that perhaps he was making fun of me, but when someone's making fun of you, if it's funny, you should laugh, in my opinion. Honestly, I don't know that his intent wasn't unkind, but I don't know that it was either. Either way, he did me a big favor by doing so. This is why my channel is monetized. And by the law of reciprocity, that means that I have the right to extend to him the same favor, which is a favor that he did for me without my consent or even cooperation in any way. But I needed something, and he gave it to me. And so, I'm going to be returning the favor. You see, Cr1tikal's is in a court case with United States Immigration. And there's the other bit to this. This gives me my in. I would like to melt some ice as well. And this gives me that opportunity because it gives me the link. It gives me the power. It gives me the right to take an act, to repay a sort of debt. Yeah? And if you're listening to this Cr1tikal's, like I said, you seem like a pretty good guy to me. I really don't bear you any ill will, but I'm going to help you. I'm going to make you a potato golem to help you along with your court case with a sigil that is intended to help you get a positive outcome to all of this and to do as much damage, to melt as much ice as possible during that time. Now, I didn't want to get salty about the whole thing, so we didn't use any ice melter, but like I said, we're going to be making you a potato golem, and I have a specific sigil that I have developed in mind just for this scenario. First part then is to carve the circle, because there is a circle on the outside of the sigil. I often use circles around the outside of my sigils because I feel like it helps aid in that concept of containment, of containing something within the circle. I'm going to carve that one line at a time. I think that's the best way to go about it. I'm going to carve the sigil on the table before I give you a face. So, it's a little different. Now, this is the top of the potato, so we want it. Oh, that's the top of the potato. And we're going to uncover that line first. And then we have a line going from there to here. Little butt cheeks. Crack there a little. The butt potato sigil. There we have it, the butt potato sigil. Things were going to go a certain way, but potato. Now, this isn't the full part of this project. We now need to mount the potato, which we're going to go ahead and impale it on this here. Go ahead and put the potato right down through. And this Cr1tikal's is the potato golem that I made for you. This is going to be being used as a symbol to petition on your behalf to melt as much of ice in their authority as possible. Rise, Mikkel. Okay, so this is Mikkel. Mikkel will be growing, and with its growth, its sprouting of eyes. Though we will begin seeing the things that compromise ice. And with this court case from Moist Critical, we will create cracks in the armor, in the glacier that is ice, and melt the coming snow before it arrives, and crack the foundations of this cruel and counterproductive creation. We will use this moment as the crack in the ice to melt away fear, to melt away the authority of those who wish to cause harm, by helping Moist Critical win his court case. Along with that, I am going to be taking some steps to reach out to the professionals in this case. And what I mean by that, I do most spell work on my own. I'm going to do a significant portion of this spell work on my own, but this potato golem that I will be making in your honor is also going to be petitioned to a being I call grandmother. This being goes by many names and exists in many cultures. I've done a video on her a few years ago. If you want to look back in my channel, I do have some stuff on there. And the graveyard video it's one of the ones you made fun of. I mentioned her there as well. But she is much better at court case work in particular than I am. And while I'm not exactly sure where your court case is at this time, I would like to help. Potato. Okay, so that's going to be it for this episode. Thank you once again for joining us. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please take the opportunity to do so now. Until next time, bright blessings and an interesting fate. This has been Cr1tikal's.